Hey guys, imagine driving a motorhome so big, so futuristic, and so luxurious that it feels more like a rolling mansion than an RV. Double-decker electric motorhome designed for billionaires, powered by advanced batteries and solar energy, and built to travel across the United States, Canada, or even the scenic highways of the UK in complete luxury. Today, we're looking at something truly insane: the Scania Titan Double Decker 1010 Motorhome 2026. Welcome back to NextLux Reviews, the channel where we explore the world's most futuristic vehicles, luxury motorhomes, and extreme expedition machines. If you enjoy powerful trucks, crazy RV builds, and next-generation electric travel, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest reviews. Now, take a good look at this thing. The first impression of the Scania Titan is pure shock. This motorhome is massive. It's not a normal RV, not even close. It's a full double-decker motorhome built on a heavy-duty Scania platform with a powerful 1010 wheel setup. That means 10 large wheels designed to handle serious weight, while keeping the ride stable and comfortable. The color immediately stands out. The light blue exterior gives it a clean, futuristic, almost yacht-like look. Under sunlight, it reflects beautifully, making the whole motorhome feel premium and elegant instead of aggressive. It's a design clearly aimed at high-end buyers and billionaire travelers who want something unique. Moving toward the front of the motor, you can instantly recognize the strong design influence from Scania. The front fascia carries the bold Scania grille with sharp modern LED headlights that give the Titan a confident and futuristic presence. The windshield is massive, giving the driver an incredible panoramic view of the road. For a vehicle this large, visibility is extremely important, and this design makes long highway drives across the United States or Canada feel much safer and more comfortable. Above the windshield, you'll notice advanced lighting and integrated sensors. These are part of the smart driving system that helps the driver control such a large machine. Now let's talk about the wheels, because they are a huge part of what makes this motorhome special. The Titan sits on 10 heavy-duty off-road tires. The 1010 wheel configuration spreads the vehicle's weight across multiple axles, which improves stability and traction. That means whether you're driving on American highways, climbing mountain roads in Canada, or exploring remote countryside in the UK, the motorhome stays balanced and smooth. Each wheel is supported by a reinforced suspension system designed specifically for heavy expedition vehicles. Even though this motorhome is huge, the suspension absorbs bumps and keeps the ride surprisingly comfortable. You start to understand how enormous the Titan really is. The body panels are smooth and modern, with clean design lines that give the motorhome a luxury yacht-style appearance. Large tinted windows run across both levels of the double-decker design. These windows allow natural light to fill the interior, while also giving passengers incredible views of the surrounding landscapes along the lower side. You'll see multiple storage compartments. These are designed for travel gear, outdoor equipment, and long road trip essentials. For people who plan to travel across continents or live on the road for months, storage like this is extremely important. Now look up at the roof. The roof of the Titan is covered with high-efficiency solar panels. These panels constantly collect energy from the sun and send it into the vehicle's battery system. That means even when the motorhome is parked in remote locations, it can still power lights, appliances, climate control, and other electronics without needing external electricity. This combination of solar power and advanced electric batteries makes the Titan one of the most futuristic motorhomes on the road. Now let's walk to the back of the vehicle. The rear design is simple but very functional. Additional LED lighting ensures visibility at night, while the reinforced rear structure adds extra durability for long-distance travel. There's also roof access, so owners can easily reach the solar system or simply enjoy elevated views from the top. But honestly, the real magic of the Scania Titan begins when you step inside. As soon as you enter the motorhome, the space feels more like a luxury apartment than a vehicle. The double-decker layout allows for an incredibly open interior design. The lower level is primarily designed as the main living area. A large lounge space welcomes you with comfortable sofas and premium seating. The light blue exterior theme continues subtly inside with neutral colors, soft lighting, and modern materials. Large windows surround the living area, creating a bright and relaxing atmosphere. Imagine parking near a lake in Canada or along the Pacific Coast Highway and relaxing here while watching the sunset through these panoramic windows. In front of the lounge, there's a large smart entertainment screen connected to surround sound speakers. Whether you're watching movies, streaming content, or checking navigation systems, everything is integrated into one smart control system. Right next to the living space, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen. The kitchen is designed just like a modern home kitchen. It features a sleek countertop, induction cooktop, microwave, built-in oven, and a full-size refrigerator. Cabinets provide plenty of storage for groceries and cooking supplies, making long road trips much easier. A stylish sink with filtered water and smart water management ensures efficient use of resources while traveling off-grid. Next, we move toward the washroom area. The bathroom inside the Titan feels like something from a luxury hotel. It includes a glass shower cabin, a modern sink with storage cabinets, and a high-efficiency toilet system designed for long-term travel. Lighting, ventilation, and hot water systems are all designed to work efficiently with the electric and solar power setup. Now let's head upstairs. This is where the double-decker design truly shines. The upper level is designed primarily as the private bedroom and relaxation space. A large king-size bed sits in the center of the room, surrounded by premium lighting and built-in storage. The large windows on the upper level provide incredible elevated views. Imagine waking up early in the morning and seeing mountains, forests, or ocean views right outside your window. There's also a small private lounge space upstairs where owners can relax, read, or work while traveling. Now, let's talk about the performance, because a motor this big needs serious power. The Scania Titan is powered by a fully electric drivetrain, supported by a massive battery system. Electric motors provide instant torque, which helps move this heavy vehicle smoothly, even when fully loaded. Unlike traditional diesel motorhomes, the electric system makes driving much quieter and smoother. There's less vibration, less noise, and a more relaxed driving experience. The solar panels on the roof help extend the vehicle's energy capacity by charging the batteries during the day. Combined with advanced energy management systems, the Titan can operate efficiently even during long journeys. Smart driving technologies also help control the vehicle. Multiple cameras around the body provide a full 360-degree view, making parking and maneuvering much easier despite the vehicle's size. Adaptive driving assistance systems help maintain stability, control braking, and support the driver during long highway trips. Now, of course, the big question everyone asks, how much does something like this cost? Because this motorhome is designed specifically for wealthy buyers and billionaire travelers, the price is extremely high, depending on customization and luxury features. The estimated price can reach between $8 and $10 million. This is one of the most expensive motorhomes in the world. But when you consider that it combines a double-decker luxury home, electric technology, solar power, extreme engineering, and custom luxury interiors, it starts to make sense for buyers who want the ultimate road travel experience. Let me know in the comments, and if you enjoyed this review of one of the world's most extreme luxury make sure you subscribe to NextLux Reviews, because we bring you the most powerful trucks, futuristic RV, and next-generation luxury vehicles from around the world. Thanks for watching. Keep chasing adventure, and I'll see you in the next review.